If you're seeking the latest from Pakistan but unsure where to turn, tune into Nambardar TV for all your updates. In our breaking news, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has announced a nationwide electricity relief package, a timely move amidst a severe heatwave affecting the nation. Moving on to international relations, Pakistan and Turkey have just inked a landmark defense agreement, aimed at strengthening bilateral ties and enhancing security measures. In health news, the Sindh government has extended the COVID-19 lockdown in Karachi and Hyderabad as cases continue to rise, urging residents to adhere to safety protocols. In aviation, Pakistan International Airlines joyously resumes flights to Europe after a 6-year hiatus, marking a significant milestone for the national carrier. In electoral developments, the Punjab PP 167 by-election is currently underway, with results expected to be announced shortly. Turning our focus to public health, we're investigating the alarming surge in dengue fever cases across the country. Stay tuned for a detailed report. In economic news, the Pakistani rupee has hit a 3-month high against the US dollar, signaling a boost in economic prospects. On the sports front, the Pakistan cricket team is gearing up for a crucial ODI series against England, hoping to clinch a victory. And in our weather update, the ongoing heatwave has intensified, with temperatures soaring to 48 degrees Celsius in parts of Sindh and Balochistan. Residents are advised to take necessary precautions. Lastly, the federal government has announced plans to establish a new technology and innovation-focused university in Islamabad, aiming to propel Pakistan into a new era of educational excellence.